Good morning, children. I will teach mathematics, second class, semester 1. Third chapter, addition. Third chapter, addition. Okay, children, I will ask a few questions. Once look at these plates. In first plate, how many apples are there? Once count the apples. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this plate, how many oranges are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, in this plate, how many bananas are there? Once count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 bananas. Okay, in all the 3 plates, how many fruits are there? 3 plus 5 plus 5. Total 13 fruits. Total 13 fruits. Okay, today discuss about our lesson topic additions. Okay, I know in previous class, I mean first standard, we all know the additions, subtractions like that. Okay, what is the addition? What is the addition? Addition means, it means putting together. It means putting together or add the total sum. Add the total sum. Addition means putting together or add the total sum. The symbol of the addition is plus. It's called plus. It's called what? Plus. Okay, it is the symbol of addition. Next, how to solve the addition or how to count the numbers in addition. Use with your beautiful fingers to count the or add the small objects. For example, I will give you the example. First one, how many fingers in each hand? How many fingers in each hand? 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In another hand also have the 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 plus 5, 10 fingers. How many fingers? 2 hands have the 10 fingers. Okay, I will give you the example of the addition. First one, example, add the objects. Plus, how many balls are there? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So write the number 3. Next, here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 2. Total how many balls? 5 balls. To count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many balls? 5 balls. Total how many balls? 5 balls. It is the addition. And also same like that. 1, 2. 2 trees. Next here only 1 tree. Total how many trees? 1, 2, 3. Total 3. How many trees are there? Total 3 trees are there. All of you once look at here. How many objects are there? 4 objects. How many objects are there? 4 objects. Once count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many objects are there? 4. Add plus another 3 objects. How many objects are there? How many add the objects? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So, what is the total of these objects? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many objects are there? 7. It is the example of the addition. Okay, I will give you the another example. How many alphabets are there? 2 alphabets. 1, 2. I will add the another 2 alphabets. 1 and 2. I will add the another 2 alphabets. 1 and 2. So once count the total number of alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 alphabets is there. It is the addition example of the another addition. Mainly additions are 2 types. How many types of additions? 2 types. First one is the horizontal addition. The second one is the vertical addition. First one is the horizontal addition. Horizontal addition means it's the 1 plus 1, one object plus one object, like this, like this. This is the horizontal line. So this is called as the horizontal addition of numbers. I'll give you the example. Take the number 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here draw the 2 lines. So total count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6. Total 6. It is the called horizontal addition. I will give you the another example also. 3 plus 2. Draw the 3 lines here. Draw the 2 lines here. Count the total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5. What is the answer? Number 5. It is called the horizontal addition. Next one, vertical addition. Next one, vertical addition. Vertical addition means it is a like a straight line. It's like a straight line. Means 1 by 1. 1 by 1. For example, take the numbers 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 means draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the 4 lines in the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once count total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. So answer is the 9. Answer is the 9. It is called a vertical addition. It is called a vertical addition. Okay, I will give you the example. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. What is the total of 6 plus 4? Draw the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here number 4. Draw the 4 lines. Total 6 plus 4, 10. Total 10. So in the number of 6 and 4 called addend. What is that called? Addends. Addends. And the answer is called sum. S-U-M. Sum. Adding the numbers are called addends and answer is called the sum in the additions. Okay. Okay, our third lesson addition. Go to the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. So first once look at the first one. Count the objects and write their numbers in the boxes. To first box, how many flowers are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So write the number 3. And here 2 flowers, write the number 2. So 3 plus 2 total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total 5 flowers. Okay. Next here also same. 5 balloons and 4 balloons, total 9 balloons. Draw the 9 balloons here like that. And next one, horizontal addition. And next one, horizontal addition. Horizontal addition means 1 plus 1 like that. So 6 plus 5. So in the 6 draw the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here draw the 5 lines. Okay. So 6 plus 5, 11. Next to vertical addition. Vertical addition means 1 by 1. So 4 plus 3, 7. Draw the 4 lines here and draw the 3 lines. Count the total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of 7. It is called a vertical addition. So look at this all of you. Addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. Okay, additions are how to show the number line. How to show the additions in a number line. Once look at here, it is the 0 to 10 number line. So first take in the 4. Frog jump the first 4. 4 add the 3. 4 plus 3. So jumps the 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So frog reaches the number 7. So 4 plus 3. The sum of the 4 plus 3 is the 7. Look here. The sum of the 4 plus 3 is the 7. It is like a number line. Once look here all of you. Next topic is the properties of addition. So first one is the commutative property. What is the commutative property? It means change the order of numbers in the addition does not change the answer. It means change the order of numbers in addition but do not change the answer. I will give you the example. First take the 2 plus 3. So add the 2 plus 3. Draw the 2 lines, draw the 3 lines. So total 2 plus 3, 5. So change the numbers in addition, order of numbers in addition. So change, what is the number 2? It is the number 3. Change the order. 3 plus 2, change the order. 2 plus 3, 5. And here also the 3 plus, draw the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So total count the 5. Change the order of numbers in the addition but do not change the answer. Answer is the same. Answer is the same. So it is called a commutative property. Next one, 0 in addition. 0 in addition. Add 0 to any number, we get same number as the answer. Add 0 to any number, we get same number as the answer. I will give you the example. First, take the number 2 and add the 0. Add the 0. Draw the 2 lines here. 0 means what? Empty. 0 means what? Empty. Draw the nothing line. So answer is the 2. Answer get the same. Answer get the same. It is called the 0 in addition. It is called the 0 in addition. First look at here. Here 2 stars is there. Here no stars. So 2 plus 0 get the same 2 stars. Any changes is there? No. Here also same. 0 plus 4 balls. Get the 4 balls only. Any changes is there? No. It is called the 0 in addition. Look at the page number. Exercise 3.2. Here fill in the boxes. It is like a commutative property. 8 plus 6. Also same as the 6 plus 8. Why? Because change the order of the numbers in the addition but do not change the answer. Like here 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 5 also 7. So solve this exercise. Next one, exercise 3.3. Fill in the boxes. 16 plus 0, 16. Why? Because add the 0 to any number, got the same number. So got the 16. And 0 plus 5 also 5. 4 plus 0 also 4. So solve this exercise. I hope all are understanding the all topics and solve the exercises. Thank you so much.